in northern France, and about how they built it into the actual cliff, and it's all about the design and how they would have defended it, and then how it fell.
Oh,
So far, a lot of them involve a lot of undermining and fire. But it's interesting, just like from the architectural standpoint.
Get the bunny.
Like,
Get the bunny.
It's not just a matter of make a really thick wall. It's how they build the wall and make it curve to carry the weight.
Yeah.
It's
It's
the
gonna
actual
be up
wall, so
again.
you undermine one part of it, and the wall just fall over. It's like, holy crap! And then the death trap brings you on the inside of it to get into the keeps. and
It's
stuff
gonna
like
be
that.
on Facebook.
Chris asked for new video.
Jethro's sleeping.
Send me the link.
Kevin!
I had to chime in.
I think your chair's going down, Jennifer.